Question 42. In this question, we are asked that is the average of numbers x, y, and z greater than z? So, average of these three numbers is x plus y plus z divided by 3. Is it greater than z or not? So, 3 is a positive number, so we can multiply 3 on both the sides without changing the inequality sign. X plus y plus z, is it greater than 3z? Or if we simplify it further, then z can be subtracted from both the sides without changing the inequality sign. X plus y greater than 2z. This is the question. So this is a yes or no type of data sufficiency question. So we have to define yes and no first of all. So yes is yes, x plus y is greater than 2z. And no is x plus y less than or equal to 2z. I have already drawn the yes or no table. So let us jump to statement 1 and check whether it is sufficient enough to answer our question or not. So statement 1 says that z minus x is less than y minus z. So z minus statement 1. Z minus x is less than y minus z. So if we reshuffle it, or if we add x on both the sides and z on both the sides, then we will get z plus x on both the sides. Okay, so on the left hand side we will get z less than x plus y. So directly we got by adding z plus x on both sides, we can add it without changing the inequality sign. Okay, so if we add z plus x on both the sides, then this will be 2z minus x plus x, which will get cancelled, y minus z plus x. Okay, so x plus y. So we directly got 2z less than x plus y. So validity done, and x plus y greater than 2z, which means that the average is greater than z. Okay, so I got a yes directly, and it is sufficient enough to answer my problem. Whenever statement 1 is sufficient enough, simply cross BCE. Now let us check whether statement 2 is sufficient enough or not. So statement 2 says that x less than z less than y. Okay, so let us take two numbers for x and y, and we'll take two different cases. Okay, let us take x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4. Now case 1. Okay, case 1. In case 1, let us take z is equals to 2. Validity check done. Yes, we can take z as 2. Why? It is between 1 and 4. Yes or no? Now let us check whether x plus z is greater than 2z or less than 2z. So x plus y is equals to 1 plus 4, which is 5. And we have on the other side 2 2s are 4. So this is equals to 2z. So clearly x plus y is greater. So I got one yes. Can I get a no over here? Can I get a no over here? Yes, let us try. Let us take case 2. Value of z as 3. Okay, the value of x and y are 1 and 4 respectively, but value of z is 3. Can we take z equals to 3? Yes, we can take, because 3 is between 1 and 4. Now let us take what is x plus y. X plus y is equals to 5 again, and 2 into z is 2 3s are 6. So in this case 2z is greater. So I got a no over here. So whenever I get a one no and one yes, that statement is not sufficient. So whenever we get statement 2 is not sufficient, we cross B. Our correct answer is option A. I hope it is clear.